Now, the only target in this entire world that cannot hit is the target that you cannot see. I'm pretty sure you have a moment to spare if I say this is going to be about growing your business. Now, this is what we specialize in. Now, you grow your business by giving us a chance to find out where your target audiences is, and we would be using the world's best platforms and the blood of any business, which is data. So we use data to find out where your target audience is at, what do they like, what are they doing to engage, and what would get them to you. So we use the data along with the business intelligence, along with the inputs given by you to bring the audiences to you so that you focus growing on your business by letting us focus on what audience would suit you the best. So you tell us who your audience is, what is it that you're looking at, and we would find out ways to engage with them and get them to you flowing rather than you going out and hunting for them. It is all about analyzing data, looking at your current data setup where you're at, and trying to find out how we could achieve these results and how we could achieve these target audiences to help you to grow from where you are to where you actually want to go. Now, I cannot help you grow. You cannot help yourselves grow. The only people that can help you grow is your audiences. So how about leaving us find your audiences and the better ways to engage with them while you sit back, relax, and take care of your business looking at the reports. Now, the big question that you need to be asking yourself at this point in time is not about would this guy be able to do it for me or not, but you should be thinking about if this guy found me, there's a good chance that he would find my target audiences too. So sit back, relax, and sign up using the link below. Start off with analyzing your data, and we could start with that to grow your business from wherever it is. So this is me, Casey, signing off with all the hope, possibilities, and whatever ways I can bring to you to grow your business. And let's get started. See you soon.